It's day 263 of the feathered quest, and today's bird is the Greater Yellowlegs. In dry conditions, Greater Yellowlegs gather along muddy reservoir edges. After rains, they forage in flooded fields. They typically feed in deeper water than most shorebirds. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?